The hymn describes Lord Shiva as the one who removes all worldly sorrows and helps people break free from the cycle of birth and death. It also shows the importance of respect and devotion to Lord Shiva. The hymn highlights Shiva's role in creating, preserving, and destroying the universe, showing that he is present everywhere and has great power. Familiarize yourself with the C minor scale before diving into the melody. The C minor scale will let you get comfortable with the notes that make up the tune. You'll gain confidence in quickly identifying and playing these notes by practicing the C minor scale. Sa re ga ga re ga ga re ga re sa re sa dha sa re ga re sa re ga pa 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 da pa ga re sa re ga re sa dha re sa 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 sa. Pa 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 dha 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 pa 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 dha 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 pa pa ga pa da pa ga re sa re ga re sa dha re sa 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 sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.